A new mini retro from China is here. Time for a message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to talk about the new version of the Retro Arcade from a friend from China. So first of all, I did a review about this thing. I really liked it. Spoiler! But really, if you didn't see this video, check it out. This is a very cool item from China. This is more like a multi-platform arcade machine. But they have released a new version. Yes, people. So, a trusted viewer sent me an email. Thanks for this, because I didn't notice it. Normally I see those things way earlier than all the other people, but that happens. And thank you for this. This thing looks pretty damn cool. They did some changes. This time it has a 7-inch screen. To be honest, I forgot what kind of screen is on this thing, but if you look at the picture, it's a little bit bigger. Nevertheless, 7-inch screen. I'm very curious if they're using an EPS screen or a way better screen. They did some changes. For example, I can hold this thing for the camera. Look at the differences, but it doesn't work. So, what did they do? They swapped the colors over here. I'm guessing the buttons are a little bit smaller and these are all new. So, yes, they did a lot of changes with this thing. So, first of all, I'm noticing it's not cheap, as you can see here. Almost $85, man. Damn, this thing is expensive. But I know for sure, over time it's going to get cheaper. That's the way how it goes, as always. Alright, so this comes with 3000 classic games. Let's see what it supports. It still supports all the old stuff. So there is, for example, no PlayStation 1 support. So I am afraid that they're still using this old software. I hope not, because the old one was not bad, but the emulation was not the best you can get. So first of all, you needed to upgrade it to custom firmware to get better results. 7-inch screen comes with 2 controllers. What I really like about this thing, because you can hook it to your television and just use it like a system. That is really cool. But let me guess. Do we have HDMI out? Do we? That is something they still don't. They're still not using. Yes, here we have all the new buttons. Yeah. Wow, the 7-inch screen looked great. Very curious how this thing is. So there is not a lot of information about it, as you can see. Not at all. So I think they're still using the AV out. Let's scroll. Oh yeah, I see it here. Yes, they're still using AV out. So that's a little bit of a bummer. You can use an upscaler if you want, so that is a possibility, of course, but it would be awesome that they just have an HDMI output. For $85, it's almost the same price like Neo Geo Mini, don't forget that. And so this is what we're going to get, people. I'm very curious. As you can see here, the specifications: DDR2, 128 megabytes, dual core, 528 megahertz. So I'm guessing it's more a little bit like the same. So if it's using the same, what we're basically having is the same system, the same software, but a bigger screen. But nevertheless, we're going to find out. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and become one of the Wicked family. Very important. And let me know, what do you think? Would you consider buying something like this? Maybe you're already owning this one. Let me know. Do you own this one? I'd really love to know. See you next video. A double message from the future.